In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out your funds using the Coinbase app. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or just looking to manage your digital assets efficiently, this guide will walk you through the entire process. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Coinbase app on your smartphone and log in. Ensure that your app is updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once you're logged in, the home screen will greet you with a snapshot of your portfolio. This is your command center, and from here we're going to navigate to cash out your funds. Next, find the candlestick icon at the top of the screen. By tapping it, you'll be taken to the advanced interface, also known as Trade. This is a powerful tool that offers a detailed view of your investments. From here, tap on the Portfolio tab. It's like taking a glance at your digital wallet, showing all of your crypto holdings as well as any fiat cash balances. Now, it's decision time. You need to determine which crypto or fiat cash balance you'd like to withdraw. When you're ready, select the particular balance. For example, if you have some Bitcoin that you feel is time to translate into fiat currency, this is where you'll make that selection. Having made your selection, the next step is to tap on either cash out or withdraw. These options let you start the process of moving your funds from your Coinbase account to your preferred financial destination. With your destination in mind, you will now choose your linked bank account or payment method. This is crucial because it determines where your funds will end up. Make sure that the information you have linked is correct and up to date. After all, you don't want your funds sent into a virtual void. At this point, you'll need to enter the specific amount of money that you wish to cash out. Be careful when entering this amount. Double check to avoid any mistakes. Remember, this is your hard-earned capital and you want every penny accounted for. Once you've entered the amount, take a moment to review all the details. This includes the method you've selected and the amount, ensuring everything aligns with your intentions. If you're satisfied, go ahead and confirm the withdrawal. Finally, the waiting game begins. Typically, it takes between 1 to 5 business days for your funds to arrive in your bank account, depending on your bank's policies and the method chosen. Be patient and rest assured that your transaction is being processed securely. And there you have it. Cashing out your funds using the Coinbase app is straightforward and convenient. I hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge to confidently manage your digital assets. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and thank you for tuning in.